Hey, kindergarten, today is Thursday. It is May 7th, and it's time for our sound work. Let's go ahead and get started with our rhymes. Today's rhyme is oat. So, thinking about words that end in oat: boat, note, vote, goat, float. All right, ready? Now we're matching beginning sounds. Which word begins like able? Able. After or age? Age and able. A. Erode. Erode. Erase or recite? Erase and erode. E. Local. Local. Letter, manner. Letter and local. L. Better. Better. Center, butter. Butter and better. B, b, b. Gallon, gallon. Guitar, sample. Guitar and gallon. G, g, g. All right, let's blend our sounds together. You ready? Ol, mole. Ag, wag. Some. Ten. Eight, fate. Eel, seal. Cube. Light, light. Bees. Miss. Excellent. Hop on your roller coaster for our middle sound. Home. Ohm. O. Night. Night. I. Take. Ache. A. Wide. Wide. I. Bell. B-L. Mat. At. All right, get your choppers ready. Here we go. Was. Coal. Ol. Mean. In. Deep. Deep. Gave. Gave. Cute. Ute. Time. I'm. Cape. Ape. Yes. Yes. Jeep. Jeep. Excellent. I'm going to give you the end. Put on a beginning sound. Find out what the word is. Here we go. Eam adds seam. Ed add head. Oob add tube. Ig add wig. Am add jam. Now we're going to be taking off the first sound. Here we go. Dome without d is ohm. Yes without y is s. Mice without is ice. Van without v is an. Bead without b is eed. Change that beginning sound. Have a new word. Here we go. Cane. Change k to l. Lane. Time. Change t to d. Dime. Feel. Change f to s. Seal. Soon. Change s to m. Moon. Goat. Change g to n. Note. Excellent. All right, letters and sounds. Gonna go just letters and then just sounds. Here we go. Letter. Y. B. G. O. R. K. X. W. L. S. H. U. I. Z. M. A. TH, V, E, D, T, C, F, H, P, C, H, S, Q, N, J. All right, let's go through and just do sounds. Here we go. Y, y, y. Can also say E or I. B, b, b. G, g, g. Second sound, J, j, j. Ah, ah, ah. Second sound, O. R. K, k, k. X. At the beginning, it might say Z. W, w, w. Ooh. Sh. Second sound, U. I. Second sound, I. Z. Mm. Second sound, A. F. V. Second sound, E. D, d, d. T, t, t. K, k, k. Second sound, S. F. Ch, ch, ch. S. Qu, qu, qu. J, j, j. All right, for our word solving today, I'm going to show you something. And we talked about this pattern a couple weeks ago, I think, when we did our word study. When we did our sound work, I'm sorry. And what we noticed was that when we were looking at some words, if we saw an E on the end of that word, oftentimes that E would not make a sound, silent, but it would tell the other vowel to make its long sound, okay? And so I believe we actually figured out this word. Let's see if we can do it. So if we know that this E is not going to make a sound, but it is going to make this O say its long sound. So, home. That's the word home. But what I want to teach you today is just because a pattern works for one word doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work for every word, okay? So if I take this off and I put this on, so you'd think if we have home, right? And we take off the and add k, it should be comb. This isn't actually the word comb, even though the pattern makes sense, right? The E would make the O say his own name, comb. You think like something you use to comb your hair. That actually has a B on the end. Doesn't make any sense at all. This is the word come. And if you think about come, that should be a short U. So what I want you to make sure you're doing is as you're reading, always make sure that the word that you figure out, even if it is a word, makes sense in what you're reading. So for instance, if this said, leave them alone and they'll come home. And I read it as comb. Leave them alone and they'll comb home. That doesn't make any sense. And so make sure not only does it make sense as a word, but that it makes sense in what you're reading, okay? These two words will actually be in our poem today, home and come. All right, let's take a look for them. Here we go. See if you can find the word come and the word home. They have the same pattern, but one makes that long O sound and the other one actually makes a short U sound. Yep, here they are right here. Come and home. And home, we know that's a long O in that word. All right, here we go. Ready? Little Bo Peep. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them. All right, let's do it one more time. Little Bo Peep. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them. Nice work today. See you tomorrow.